yeah, just an update. We have just successfully created an N8N workflow that we create images, and since the images that we titles or SEO optimized titles, uh, we create bulk images and then we put them in a folder. We upload that folder onto Google Drive. From there, N8N does its workflow. It reads the images. It then it creates a list of all the old names of the images into the names of the new images into a new name. So it creates, say, 50 old image names that are going to be turned into new image names. And then from there, uh, you upload that into your media file or your pictures file from your website, I guess your local repository. And then from there, you would use Copilot to rename all the images to the images names in the file that you have uploaded. Anyway, it was definitely a process, and I am super tired and stressed out, but it was done, and now we could do that all the time, and we have saved a bunch of time doing this, but tiring and stressful. Anyway, thanks for watching, and yeah.